Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is air fried buttered fish sticks. You buy them usually like that. I'll show you how to cook them on the air fryer without that you fry them in no oil. It's so easy. I'm using that fish today. That kind of fish is 100% fish. I open the bag. Really, this is really delicious, this fish. You see, it comes with 10 pieces of fish. It's very easy. You can add some salad or something aside and you have a quick dinner. I take my air fryer and I put some pieces of fish on the air fryer on the basket. I will put 6 of them on this one. This is a small, medium size of air fryer. I put them directly in the basket. I don't spray no oil. You don't need to spray no kind of oil. This is 6 pieces. It's very easy, very easy, and you will love it. It comes so crispy and delicious. Put the basket on the air fryer. Then I turn the air fryer on. And choose the air fryer option. It give me I use 400 degree Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. I like it nice and crispy. I choose 10 minutes. If you like it less crispy, you can do 8 minutes. Is the minimum 8 minutes to 10 minutes, 400 Fahrenheit. For me, I did 10 minutes. It look golden brown and nice. It's crispy, but it's soft and nice from the inside and crispy from the outside. It was 400 degrees for 10 minutes. So easy. Add some salad or roasted vegetables aside and you have a complete dinner. Now I'm ready to serve it on the plate. See how it's golden brown, very nice and crispy. 10 minutes, really it comes crispy if you like it crispy. 8 minutes if you want it in no medium, but it's 10 minutes on 400 Fahrenheit, and that's it. That's the final results. Very crispy, delicious and nutritious. Thank you for watching and see you next time in a new video and new recipe. Enjoy.